Hi everyone, and welcome back to Teaching Bee. So in today's video, we're going to be doing a couple activities that we can do with our toddlers at home for the letter D. So let's go ahead and get going. One activity is one of my favorites. So what you're gonna need is just a construction paper, paint, some dinosaurs if you have them around the house, maybe some trees and whatnot. I might actually go grab some of those too. And then a little bit of glue or tape will do just fine. And I think that is it. Again, I'll list them here if I forgot any. So we are going to make a big letter D as a capital letter. Best to use white because we want to do just like a plain surface. And then I went ahead and put green on my background. I do have a toddler who is 2 years old, so he's not going to accurately get on the D every single time for what I'm about to show. So that's what I did for that piece. Also for being 2, I'm going to go ahead and tape it down on my trash bag as far as it doesn't move around while he's doing his dinosaur walks and dealing with paint in general. So then at least 2 different paint colors. I went ahead and we're gonna work with 4. And you're just gonna go ahead and dump a little blob on each of the plate, or if you have a little palette, that works great too. And then the fun part. So you'll grab a couple of dinosaurs, possibly not their favorite ones. And what they're gonna do is they're gonna dip the toes in the paint, and then they're going to do dinosaur walks. So this is a fun activity because you get to see and talk about footprints. D is for dinosaur, and then they get to just make their own trails as so. And once they're done, they're gonna have all these little footprints around the dinosaur land, or you can even name your dinosaur island, whatever the case may be. So that's a cool activity that you can do at home with household items. Here, let me show the camera real quick because it didn't. So then we start to have dinosaur footprints all over the letter D. How cool is that? Let's go ahead and keep going, little one.
Mom, you want to see this pink?
And they have fun. So D is for dinosaur, or just it works together. You could also do
Mama.
dogs if you have different dogs laying or
Mama.
dog toys.
Mama.
Yes, buddy.
Do you want to see?
Yeah. Whoa. But we have dinosaurs in our house, so we want to make some dinosaur footprints, huh? That's pretty cool.
Mom, you want to see?
Yeah, and then you can take the trees off and hang it up and do whatever you want with it from there.
See?
Cool. That's really neat. Right.
Hi.
Hi.
A T-Rex.
I am Bronchiosaurus.
Hi.
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 Hi. I can turn to playtime. We're just having fun. So what letter is this again?
A letter D.
The letter D. And dinosaur starts with the letter
D.
D. Good job.
Dinosaur.
Yes.
You gotta put some more paint on your foot.
Oh, okay. Here I come. What color should I do?
Green.
Green. Okay. Make sure they put on clothes that you don't mind getting dirty. All right, ready? Boom.
Those little footprints.
Yeah, is that cool? All right, your turn. All right, so here it is all finished with the letter D, all the dinosaur footprints, and kind of get to do whatever you want from here. You can play with the dinosaurs some more or go hang it up on the wall, and we're done.